Hello, Prairie Crest families. The purpose of this screencast is to walk through what it looks like to analyze your students' mathematics MAP scores as well as their reading MAP scores. Your student will have a goal setting sheet that looks similar to the sheet on the screen. The scores from this sheet are from their most recent MAP assessment that was taken in late April. We'll walk through the mathematics one first together. You'll notice that there are a couple different components with this goal setting sheet. It has the student's score from spring 2016, fall 2016, as well as spring 2017. We will focus most of our work around our spring 2017 score. So you'll notice that with this student in particular scored 229 on the spring math assessment. Over here, you can see the student's goal performance in each strand underneath mathematics. So operations, algebraic thinking, numbers and operations, measurement and data, and geometry. The areas highlighted in green are areas of strength or a strand that your student did well in. So if we look at spring 2017, geometry was a strength of this student's particularly. You'll notice that some areas may be highlighted in yellow. If an area is highlighted in yellow, that's an area that we're saying what might be an area of focus for your student in particular. You'll notice that for each grade level, we have norms. So for example, second grade, a mathematic norm for the spring would be 192. We hope that students would score right around 192. In third grade, it would be around 203, and in fourth grade, around 213. You'll notice that this example is a fourth grade example, and so just being mindful that sometimes areas that are highlighted in yellow, they might be highlighted in yellow, but the student still met the normed number. So really, this is just an opportunity to say that this is something that the student might continue to work on and continue to grow. And same if we look at reading, what that looks like. Spring 2017, we see that literature or fictional texts was a strength for this student in particular. And then an area of growth or an area to continue to work on might be that informational text. So reading texts, determining the main idea, summarizing the texts, and again, referencing it to the norms. The reading norm in fourth grade is 205. We notice over here that the student scored within the range of 215 to 227. So again, in this specific example, they exceeded the norm. However, when compared to other strands, this is one that was a bit lower than others. If you have any questions about what it might look like or sound like to really delve into supporting your student at home with their area of focus or growth area, please let your classroom teacher know, or Kylie Hayes, the instructional coach at Prairie Crest. We would be happy to support you with additional resources to support your student at home. If you have any further questions about the analysis of your student's MAP assessment, again, please do not hesitate to ask your classroom teacher or Kylie Hayes. Thank you.